All right, it's parent-teacher interview time, and we're trying to figure out what fraction of the parents showed up in the evening. We had 3 different sessions. We had morning, afternoon, and evening sessions. In the morning, we had 1/6 of all the parents show up, and I've drawn a circle here that's divided into sixths, and I'm going to shade in one of those sixths. On the bottom circle, I have that divided into thirds, and I'm going to shade in one of those thirds, and this 1/3 shows all the parents that showed up in the afternoon session. Now the question is, how many parents have shown up already? Well, I can add these two fractions, and when I add these two fractions, it's the same as taking this piece and sliding it over there. And if I do that, I realize that my 1/3 is indeed actually equal to 2/6. So I have 1/6 plus 2/6, giving me 3/6. And that reduces to 1/2. So 1/2 of all of the parents showed up before supper. So what fraction of the parents showed up after supper? Well, if we take all of the parents and subtract half of the parents, that's the same as saying 2 out of 2 of the parents, take away 1 out of the 2 parents, gives us 1/2 of all the parents showed up after supper. Now that really shouldn't be much of a surprise. But if there were 30 parents and 1/2 of the parents showed up after supper, that is to say in the evening, how many parents was that? Well, it's going to be 1/2 of 30. 30, of course, is the same as 30 over 1. And, of course, we can cancel part of our numbers. We have 1 and we have 15, which means that 15 of our parents showed up after supper, which really isn't much of a surprise because we already knew that half of the parents showed up after supper.